Hey there everyone, today I am super excited to talk about how you can download and install Microsoft Windows 11 26H2 in your system. And actually the process of whole installation is very unique or very special. It requires specific version of download so that we can reach to this version 26H2. Therefore, please make sure you follow this guide step by step such that you can also able to install the latest upcoming public release in 2026. Alright, so for that, first of all, you need to open following link that I will be providing you in the description of this video, and you may require to sign up for Windows Insider, because if you do not, then probably you may not able to open this page. If any one of you have got any problem related to signing up, please do let us know in comment down below. I will try to help you out with that. Once you reached out to this page, you need to go down and then here you need to click on select edition. Now if you see here, you will not find 26H2 because as I was mentioning, the process is not straightforward. We may require to download a certain version first. Once we download that and install it, then only we may able to upgrade it to 26H2. Now one more thing I wanted to let you know that 26H2 as of today comes under experimental build. So please do not expect that this version is stable release. It is still under insider preview and not even in form of beta version. So I would recommend you to install it in additional devices or maybe in virtual machine that we're going to do in this video. Alright, so first of all, let's click here on select edition, and then we need to be very careful guys because you may easily get confused with experimental build. So think of it like, all these builds have got different tenure or launch date. And maybe, the team that is working to build this particular build will not be same as the team which is working on future platform. And who knows, it can be Windows 12. So my point here is, let's say if you have installed this 29634, you will be getting updates in this series. You will never get Windows 11 26H2. Alright, so please make sure that you follow this guide such that you receive the correct update. Now let's download this specific version, which is 263008935. So let's click on this 25H2. Alright, so I was facing some issue with Microsoft Edge. Now I am trying to download this in Firefox browser. Let's click here and click here on confirm. Now let's choose the product language. I'm gonna go with English and let's click on confirm. Now here we have got this file. Let's click on it, download, and the download size is 7.9 gigabyte. So let's wait for the whole process to get completed. Alright, so we have successfully downloaded it. Now the next thing here we need is either we need a pen drive to create bootable drive, or if you want to try it in a virtual machine, then you may require to install VMware Workstation. If you want to see how to install VMware, I'm gonna add a dedicated video of it in the description of this video. For creating a bootable drive, you first of all need a 16 gigabyte of pen drive, and second software that you need is known as Rufus. If you also want to understand how we can create bootable drive in Rufus, well, it is pretty straightforward and simple. You need to connect your pen drive that will be detected here, and then from here you need to select your ISO and then simply click on start. So this way you will be able to create bootable drive. Just keep all these settings as it is. If you want to know more about this, I already have created dedicated video on it. Now let's quickly run the VMware, which is virtual workstation, which is used to run the Windows virtually. Now let me create here a new machine. I'm gonna say typical, and then here I am going to locate the ISO. So this ISO should be in downloaded, and here we go. Let me select this. Now let's click on next. Now this one I'm gonna say 26H2. Now let's click on next, and again, here you can set up your password. I am going to quickly set it up. Let's click on next, and now here you need to specify the maximum disk size. So please make sure that you have got enough disk space available. For example, especially in case of C drive. So I can see here there is 323 gigabyte of data available. So probably what I will do is, I will be using C drive, or probably you can also utilize another drive. So in my case, I can also use probably F drive or even this E drive. But the problem with E drive is it is hard disk drive, so speed won't be good. So please prefer to install it in SSD. Now let me keep it as it is, and now let's click on next. And then here, if you click on customize hardware, based on your hardware configuration, you can set it up. So this particular machine, 64 gigabyte of RAM is available. So I'm gonna give this particular virtual machine 16 gigabyte. Similarly, number of processor, probably I can give it like 4 core, and then the total processor core will be 8 out of 26, which is the actual number of cores that this CPU have. Now I'm gonna keep all the remaining setting as it is. Now let's click on close, and now I'm gonna click on finish. Now let's boot this machine for the first time, which will happen automatically. And now you may need to go inside this VMware and need to press any keys so that it will boot from this ISO. Alright, so now after installing Windows 11 25 H2 Pro, let's now go to setting and Windows Update. Now here, let's quickly download all these necessary updates. And then one more thing, I wanted to check whether Windows Insider program is enabled or not. Then you can enable it by selecting the experimental probably. Now here you can see we have selected experimental because right now 26H2 is experimental. Then here in advanced option, you need to make sure that you have selected this 25H2 because the successor of it will be 26H2. Similarly, in case of 26H1, the successor of this will be probably 27H1, and same goes for future platform. Now let me click here on release preview if you would like to go with release preview. Now let's go here in Windows Update and click on check for updates. And there you go. Here it says Windows 11 Insider Preview Feature Update 263009032. And this is exactly the version that we wanted to install directly, and right now it is not available. I mean, if you see here, you will not find this particular version, which is 26300.9032, which is 26H2. So the version that is currently available is only 26H1. So in this way, guys, you will be installing the latest and greatest Microsoft Windows 26H2 in your system. So let's wait for a while so that we complete this process. And there you go, download completed, and now the installation has begun. And finally here we can see we have successfully installed Microsoft Windows 11 26H2 in our system. And let me show you that. And then about. You can see that it says version 26H2. Let's also wrap up this video, guys. If you have got any question or doubt in your mind, I will try to help you with that. Also, do subscribe to Technoholic for more such productivity content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.